For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafowethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. Sekhukhune United 2, Mamelodi Sundowns 4. Sundowns aqhubekeka ngale 4-4 yabo. Now they are leading at the top of iBetway Premiership ngo 15 points. Emva kodlala imidlalo mingaphi bobusidi 18 namhlanje.
It's 19.
It's 19 namhlanje. They are playing their 20th game of the season against the Kaizer Chiefs on Saturday. Lucas Masterpieces Moripa Stadium will 3:30. Sabesipha nomfowethu bobusidi. I was hoping ukuthi before sihambe sawufumana iblessing iyomnye ianalysis zethu namhlanje udla ngotsho kaMakhosi ewini athi Amakhosi for life ubolacala ngokutsovvilakazi. But mfowethu, congratulations for your win. Mamelodi Sundowns beating Sekhukhune by 4 goals. Ubuke wathi eyona ke umdlalo ubukwenzela istress kakhulu ngulowa namhlanje, but yabona uba uwine comfortable kanjani. Manqa kwa 4 you considered 2. Mhlawumbe ngathi I should have considered le yesibini goal okanye even kwale yokuqala, but consider 2 but to score 4 3 games in a row. Bobsit kunjani mfowethu?
Shane, right. Before ngkhulunta amajita Shane, at least Sekhukhune sizela kule game for 2 reasons.
Oh, size for 2
reasons. Abanye baza for 1 reason, yabo. So at least size for 2 reasons, yabo. So
oh, they came for 2 reasons.
Yeah, they came for 2 reasons. But abanye baza for 1 reason. So thanks for Sekhukhune. Ithi ngibulise uShane ngathatha isikhathi uJusto ngibulise uNkululeko ngibulise uJunior noLindo no Tso.
Yeah.
All right Shane.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Uma right Shane ngiyajabula kakhulu Shane.
I'm 15 points behind. Mr. Nge, would you say I'm okay? I'm 15 points behind. The right? Yeah, the right. I'm 15 points behind. 4 games in hand, but Mr. Nge, goes up.
Let me check the pulse.
Mr. Nge, Mamelodi Sundowns, they are leading. They have played 19 games. They are leading with 15 points. The last team, Esensukuyibona, coming from behind to win the league.
It's themselves.
Ngabo. Orlando Pirates have never seen them coming from behind to win a league.
By this margin?
By this margin. The last time they won the league, it was back in 2012.
And let me ask you the question before you ask me a question. Do you believe it's Chaile? Or you believe it's still on? Because I think part of me and you wanted Pirates to win the league. Yeah. Even so, we made it very clear. We shoot videos. It's on record. Yeah. I wanted Pirates to win the league. We need a different winner of the league. But then, realistically, as it's unfolding, it looks like there's only one winner. What do you believe?
Mna, as an Orlando Pirates fan, 15 points against a team like Mamelodi Sundowns. It's difficult. It's still going to be difficult. For me, as an Orlando Pirates fan, I cannot stand here and say, no, it's all over in front of my players. Some of them, they watch the show. I want them to push up until where they can say, okay, now it's all done. But for as long as they still have the games that they need to play, if they win those games, they still have a good chance. But if they draw or lose any of their remaining games, then it's shy.
I know you as a journalist and as a broadcaster. Look at it from that perspective. I know, of course, Orlando Pirates people know you are one of them.
Yep.
As a broadcaster, which one do I want to win?
Yep.
As a broadcaster, I think it's Chaile. Although it's still mathematically possible. Yeah. As a broadcaster, what's your actual feeling?
I've never seen Orlando Pirates coming from behind to win a league ever since Ndazalo. The last time they won it, I've never seen them coming from behind. So if they come
against them.
Yes, Sancho, even if it was against any other team, I've never seen them coming from behind. But against them, it's pressure on its own. They will have to prove it to Guti. We can come from behind, but I've never seen them coming from behind. That's all I'm gonna say. Thank you so much, Mr. Ngeo. Bobzin, you're leading by 15 points of it. We started Machita, but Mamelodi Sundowns beating Sekhukhune 4 goals to 2.
Yeah, Shane.
Yeah.
Ngiyacabanga everyone uyekulomdlalo man kwathina besingekho sure ukuthi lama results angaba ngalendlela. We understand that because if ungabheka the previous matches we Sekhukhune They did well amajita bachamuke benza kahle kakhulu so nade webadlala ngakhona nakule nkundla besiya kuyo remember iSundowns yagcina mhlambe ukudlala lapha ithola I think a 2-1 ku Magesi yabona so ngiyacabanga ukuthi besinga expectanga ukuthi ngaba ngalendlela because isikhukhune ezidlala kahle but the way ngibone ba approach ngakhona igame abo coach ngiyabona iSundowns ize nge 3-4-3 but kuzoba le 3-4-3 uma bamile but uma ungathi uyabheka most of the time besiba nale shape ye rest defense abantu abawu 3 njengoba sisho but bekhuphuka ama-line ngama wing back wethu you understand so but ngaqala ngeteam efana nesikhukhuni Shane I think isikhukhuni the way size ngakhona size ngokuthi sifuna ukugcwalisa inamba lapha emuva usually yazi sibiza nge-low block yangithola si-8 inamba ebhaya because uma ungabheka umdlalo ofana no Mohammed lapha emuva ano Yamba bebazithola always baba packed kubuya umdlali ofana nobani no ubani uLikwane you understand Umukwane ubuya nomkhize bazo add inamba lapha kule center back so that ukuthi Sundowns ingakhona ukudlala kuphi la kulama pockets but into engibonile ngapha uMokhayile nomdlalo ofana noLitlapa bebangakhona ukukhuphuka why because of ngibona uMakhalwa ubambi line ake ngenanga phakathi ubheke umdlalo ofana nobani noUtladisa yes bekazama ukuthi ufuna ungena phakathi but lawa ama line bebawavalile bebangakhona ukuthi lama full backs wabo lama wing back bangakhuphuka as usual wazi ukuthi uMakhayile umuntu assistayo most of the time today yes uyilethile cross wa assista simbonile bekangaveli njengoba simjwayele avela umdlalo ofana noMakhayile bongamtholi lapha ule attack yesikhukhuni most of the time because ulindeni ubhekele front 3 yeMamelodi Sundowns which is umdlalo ufana no Reynas no Shalulile no Ribeiro because angeke uma ukhuphuke so la khona umkhize bekazama khona nomkhwana ukuthi bafuna ukuphusha kancane then ukuthi bathi high line yila khona kwenzeka ukuthi lawo amajita lawa angakhuphuki because say already le two center back central midfield iphumile kule center back uyangithola so ngibone ngathi ba approach le game ngoku respect iSundowns kakhulu that is why iSundowns itholakale inokha ibhola kule half yesikhukhuni
benifuna uza apha bekuze ndingaqhawulanga le low block yesikhukhuni I've seen teams ezidlala low block but eyesikhukhuni was it a clever low block because if we qaphela iSundowns kayisondele kubo there was no one ophumayo pressure any of the Sundowns players they were allowing iSundowns to do zonke eza build ups and ayizenzi ngase center izenza apha ngase boxini yabo of which is one of the reason two of those goals I mean inye yaza goal bibethwa nje ngapha kwala defense and then Murena bethi igoli easy was it a clever low block for isikhukhuni bayizamile bona part
sometimes beyiba njalo sometimes ibe mid because ungabuka umdlalo ofana no ubani lo uBuheli bekuumuntu ukuthi kube uye alapha kule front because umncube besingamboni if ungabheka umncube sibiye sabuzana tha umncube uphumile bekakhona because of lapha kule number 10 bekangabonakala umncube so yilento beyenza ukuthi sometimes uma ithi yabuya kancane isikhukhuni ungabheka kunala khona sibanjwe ngama offside iMamelodi Sundowns ama offside amaningi because of bekuna khona ikhuphuka khona isikhukhuni sometimes ifuna ushale offside trap so uthola ukuthi aboshalulile nabo Reynas baba offside bengaveli ibe that low block ngale ndlela beyiba nje imid you understand so that is why ngithi mina izamile bathini le i-team efana nesikhukhuni because ungathola le goal abayitholile bazama ukubreaka kuphi khona lapha iSundowns nginokukhala ngayo kule position ukuthi the more sifuna ukuvula ispace bambonile ukuthi umdlalo ofana noOpra ukhuphukile uyangithola basebenzisa le yasha because umdlalo ofana nomkhayili uyambona ukuthi une speed bathethelela bhola bafika ba breaker simple khona lapha then walethe cross poor goalkeeping handling imshayile because bekungamelanga libamba uFebruary lela bhola bekumele vele ngabe vele walishaya walfisa you understand la hamba lela bhola but wafuna ukulibamba then lawela la ukutladisa wathi no ngiyabonga February bahamba bayikhoneni baye celebrate iSundowns yenzani yayenza ubuhlangani ngani ya respond quick if iSundowns beyivumele 1-1 yaze ya ku half time bekuzoba difficult the way ngibona structure se sime ngakhona se team efana nesikhukhuni but ngiyacabanga iSundowns ukuthi iresponde quick bancede kakhulu because uma ungabheka leya 2-1 izame ukuthi ibuye isikhukhuni izofuna ukudlala noma ba change abaletha umtambo because okay ngiyazibuza ufika ukuthi okay bekahlalelene ebenchini because uyu umdlalo ngimbona ngathi unemandla aggressive we understand uyazama ukuthi apushe lapha kuleya defense eMamelodi Sundowns so ngiyabona uyamletha ufika uzamile ufiko lazama khona unfortunately le quality le Sundowns inayo Shane angifuni ukukutshela mangibuka the way imidfield eSundowns imengakhona I understand ukuthi ubani udlala kuliphi side bonke baya rotate ilento abayenze ejimini umkwena uAlende umdlalo ofana noAdams amara leyayima kancane yatsotsi man chain emancane uAdams Brian uyazenza lento ibelula ngathi uma udlala iPlayStation so I like the way badlala ngakhona because it was difficult for Mkhize nomdlalo ofana nomkhwane kuleya midfield vele kuzobanikeza inkinga because iSundowns most of the time izo overloader leya midfield and laba abantu banjani ba comfortable ebholeni you understand so kuyoba nzima for bona ukuthi bangafuna ukuthi badlale in the middle of the park ama opponent afana nabo Sekhukhune against leya midfield eMamelodi Sundowns so ngiyacabanga no coach Kadoso congratulations to him Shane congratulations to iMamelodi Sundowns the boys and the technical team I think wenza ama changes out too ucoach Kadoso kuleya lineup esibuya kuyo because umkwena bekase benchini last time simbonile you understand so ngiyacabanga ukuthi leya lineup ayilethe manje isheshe yamenzela lento mhlawumbe bekayifuna because umlethile umdiba uyambona ukhona unomrena ngithanda the way lamajida bakhuphuka ngakhona if umrena uyakhuphuka angakhuphuka umdlalo ofana noSores uSores at least sikhona ukuba ne shape lapha emuva because basazosbreak uma ngabe ufuna uku-add number because inumber siyi-add ngobani ngama riding ngama wing back wethu which is umrena nomdlalo ofana nobani nomudiba because babonile benza ama box entries umrena nangu siyambona uvalele nethini ilezi zinto esizidingayo yabo Alende batholakala kulawo ama box nabo Adams ngiyacabanga ukuthi the way ikhuphuke ngakhona ilento ebenza ukuthi uliklapa angakhuphuki fandi 1 nomdlalo ofana noMokhayile angakhuphuki fandi 1 because uObri ngapha uyakhuphuka nangu umrena nawe uyakhuphuka yenzani bayenza ama box entries ngiyacabanga badlale kahle kakhulu but siluza ama chances amaningi Shane ushalulile uMr ama chances amaningi kakhulu mhlawumbe ngabe bekuyi 10 goals uma ungacounta kahle maybe ngabe siye ku 10 goals and uMr kunama half chance kunama clear chances amanye ama ball ama clear chances you understand even though amanye sizodwa okay ureferee angithanda ukukhuluma ngama decision abo referee wabonile ama penalty awu2 handball ngapha then bamkhabile ushalulile but angeke ngistike kulezi ama chances afana nalawo kumele siwarep this is the league game is not a cup game uyabona she so ngiyacabanga no coach wenze kahle even nama sub wakhe uma ungabheka labadlala balethile what is sub ku sales ifaka assist uyascore she
Bobzit, thank you so much for it. Congratulations for the win. Mr. To, Mr. To, please come this side.
Sales ubiza uTo. Umbonile mama sales.
Mr. To, please come this side.
No. Akeze ngapha.
Okay.
Kumele kubonakala ukuthi
Mr. To, there's a big game that is happening on Saturday at Lucas Masterpieces Moripe Stadium. Just before kuqale i-videos at Diski TV, ikhona i-clip yakho pha odla ngokuthi they are back. Amakhosi for life, they are back. On Saturday bayadlala against Mamelodi Sundowns. Are they going back to winning ways on Saturday?
Shane ungayihlokolozi inyoka emgodini wayo yazi izophuma lapha
which snake ushi Sundowns mhlawumbe ushi Sundowns lenyoka usho akachaza
ngahlokolozi inyoka emgodini wayo yazi inyoka lokhu izithulele lapha lokunehlokolo nizoyibona Saturday makhosi for
phela lenyoka ingaluza Saturday iyaphuma ku top 8
I'm sure abacingi bayivume lo Mr. To.
You know Shane kunezinye izinto esizikhuluma masihleli sisodwa amanye ama decisions siwathathayo ukuthi manje sekufanele ukuthi Chiefs win.
This is a time for them to win.
Chiefs is back. Yeah, watch Saturday. Chiefs, they are back in winning ways. People, they'll be shocked on Saturday. Ubheka wena uzobe kuthulekile akunamoto ehambayo nempukana zindizi sihlele phansi.
Uyazi kunenye izola party. Uyazi lekhumbi bathi izola party. Ihambi yalayisha. Epitora ungena ungahambi nge4x4. Ibuya kwabanye lebo Golden Arrows, bo Orlando Pirates, bo TS Galaxy. Naba siyababona abanye manje bo Sekhukhune badonsa 4x4. Angazi ukuthi olandelayo ubani. Asazi.
Shane so idingivale manje. Ama 4x4 ayahamba kwabanye abantu. Kunala kufika udrop line khona.
5 or 6 ke.
Thank you Mr. To. Thank you Mr. To. Benedict To vilakazi uthi abanye bayakhwela ke4x4. Kodwa i4x4 kulapho ihamba ifika ime khona. Bobzini umvile Mr. To uthethe phambi kwakhe akathethanga behind you. Thank you so much for watching iDiski TV.
Ola bafethu ubongani bobomnisi bafethu ngicela subscribe ku Diski TV.
Ola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to